Thank you so much for purchasing the Carding Masterclass, a complete course of carding. I hope I will be able to translate my knowledge and expertise to be a fruitful experience through this course and many other upcoming courses. In this course, we will explore the carding and the main tools required for carding. Also, threats, attack and prevention method. So sit back and relax and enjoy the course. So once again, welcome to the carding class. So what we will learn? We will learn what is carding, how hackers collect various card detail, who is carder and whether carding is legal or illegal in India. Then I will tell you how to become professional carder, what are the requirements to become professional carder, various types of credit card, what is BIN. Then in other section I will explain you and practically perform various things like how to buy Bitcoin, how to receive Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin. Then I will also discuss various types of cards, and then I will show you how you can buy credit card from surface web and deep web. I will also tell you the precautions that you should take while buying the credit card from surface web or deep web, because there are many scammers who are trying to sell people the fake cards and they fool people. Then I will practically perform the carding process, but this is for educational purpose only. As you can see in the slide, these are my contact details. Please feel free to contact me or drop me a message anytime you have question. If you have anything in mind that you shall like to share with me, I shall be really happy to answer and give feedback to any email or message I receive. The most important thing is know your instructor. So, who am I? I have completed my higher secondary education from IES Katra Vidyalay. I have more than 6 years of experience in IT industry, starting with programming, as I have programmed many desktop and mobile web applications using many languages. I have worked in Tata and I have designed many complex project application and solutions. I have worked in project management field, managing multiple projects in timely and efficient manner with low cost and resource optimization. I have completed my diploma in the branch of textile engineering from VJTI and degree in biomedical engineering from Dwarkada J. Sanghvi College of Engineering. And here there are two projects listed, and the list goes on. So I hope that you will be with us in this course. So once again, thank you for purchasing the course. Thank you. So what is carding? Carding is an art or technique to buy anything from online shopping sites. Carding is a process where user or carder purchases good using hacked or stolen credit card detail. Hackers steal the details of credit card and then buy stuff using these credit card details. Carding is an art of technique. If you want to learn carding, you have to give it your time. If you are noob, then it is expected that you shall fail sometime. But the key to success is not to stop and keep practicing. The success rate of carding is very low, because if the site gets an unknown transaction from hacked or stolen credit card information, they usually reverse the transaction or cancel the order placement. In simple terms, benefit. There are various ways of carding and stealing credit and debit card details. So as mentioned earlier, I told there are various ways of stealing credit and debit card detail. Now I am mentioning some of them so that you can be aware of such practices and save yourself. There are 5 ways of stealing credit card detail. First one is fraudulent website. This is the most common method in the digital world, where you will be asked to enter your card detail on a fake website page. Once you enter your card PIN, The website will get the thing that it wanted, your card details. Second one is fake confirmation call. You will get a random call from a hacker and he will ask you to confirm your card detail because he needs to update something on their system. Remember that no bank will call you for your card details. Third one is ATM machine. The hacker install their setup on ATM machine so that they get all the detail when a person enters his transaction detail to get the cash. Fourth one is website hack. Sometimes you put your detail on a reputed and genuine website like Netflix, Amazon Prime, but the website itself gets hacked. So all the data goes straight away to the hacker. And fifth one, random guess. Most of the card detail are random guesses using some pattern and software. If you are using any easy password and login detail, then you need to be very careful. Also, keep changing your passwords frequently. These are some little steps and method that hacker use. In the end, they get the complete list of credit card detail and debit card along with the details of bank information. Stages of carding. There are four stages of carding. Stage 1, Hacker. The hacker will extract the credit and debit card detail using his various methods. A huge pool of data is created and sold on the dark web or deep web. Stage 2, Carder. The carder will buy this pool of credit card detail from the hacker. He will purchase all the item from online store and dump the cards. Now people will randomly pitch to buy those products for heavy discount. Stage 3, Consumer. The consumer makes the payment and he feels that item will be delivered to him. Stage 4, Police. If you get caught, it is extremely easy for the police to track the buyer and carder. All the people involved can land up in jail. So, in later upcoming section, I will tell you how to be anonymous and safe while performing carding. Thank you. So, who is a carder? A carder buys the list of card detail from dark web and eventually buys the large number of products from online websites like Amazon, Alibaba and many more. Once delivered, they will ask you to buy those products at 10% of original price so that everyone can buy it. This is because the product didn't cost them anything. The amount was paid from the card owner's bank account. Most of the time, such products include electronic gadgets like smartphone because customers are easily available. Don't you think people will buy iPhone 11 if I make it available for 20,000? Mind you, carders always use fake identities for all these online shopping. Are carders fake? So answer is quite simple. Yes. 90% of the carders are fake on internet. Let's forget about hacking carding or stealing card details for this moment. What if I tell you that majority of these carders are absolutely fake and they don't have product or card details? Firstly, the real carder will never come to you and disclose his identity. He will partly buy the product and resell them in a market, which is dark web or deep web. Secondly, the most of the carders pretend to be carders, but they merely take your money and flee away. For example, they are always saying, Sir, I am Carder and I can provide you iPhone 11 at rupees 20,000, but you need to send me rupees 500 as processing fees. Once you pay the processing fee, you will never be able to contact that so-called Carder again. Neither you get your iPhone nor you get anything from Carder. He will block you and you are the one who just lost your own money. Most of This Telegram and Instagram cadre flee away after getting money. The only purpose they have is to collect such smaller amount and resulting in a huge sum of money. As you can see in the carding fraud, as on WhatsApp, Telegram, they sell the fake product with fake price. Like as you can see, iPhone X and iPhone XS, they are selling at rupees 5000. Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, they are selling at 4000, which is clear fraud, because these phones are premium phone and they cost more than rupees 50,000 in India and in other many countries. Let me show you how this works. As you can see, I have opened my Telegram group and you can see here a message is posted that this guy is selling Amazon products at cheap prices like iPhone 11 Pro Max at 20,000. You all know what is price of iPhone 11 Pro Max. He also claims that he is selling OnePlus 70 at 13,000, OnePlus 7 at 10,000, and the list goes on. So at downside you can see there is a note written like no COD, full advance. So why do they need no COD? Because they gonna rip you. They will scam you. Once you pay online price of the product to them, they will just block you and move away, and you will lose all your money. It does not happen only on Telegram, it also happens in Facebook. As you can see, now I am opening my Facebook page. See what they will show you a pic with full of phones, gadgets, accessories like iPhone, Samsung, headphone of many branded companies. And 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 so why do they do so? Because they want to attract customer. And suppose, as earlier I told, they are giving iPhone at 20,000, so why people will not buy it? If they are beginner, they do not know about this scam, they will tell no baba, he's selling at less price, we should buy it, take chance. And as you can see, this is also one of the carding product group. See, not COD available, they gonna rip you. Let me just show you how it is done. See, as you can see, carding product, carding videos, carding India, spamming professional, carding mobile. Let's see what is going on here. It is a bit slow. So there are many more things like that. So as you can see, I have opened YouTube and I have searched carding scam. Then you can see here fake Amazon carding scam, how rippers rip your money. Then see this guy who lost 3,000 rupees on carding. Then there are many more such videos. As you can see, fake carding exposed on Telegram. Again I am telling, there are many rippers on Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook and many other social platforms. Do not buy carded product, and that's illegal to purchase it. And now you can see carding fraud latest news. It was published by Times of India. As you can see, plenty of fraud have happened in India and many other countries related to carding. As you can see, card tap, hotler hand pick, staff operator swipe machine, firm owner loses rupees 50 lakh on SIM card fraud in Pune, and there are many more. We will discuss more about carding in upcoming section. Thank you for watching video. VPN. What is VPN? A VPN is virtual private network. which gives you online privacy, anonymity by creating a private network from public internet connection. VPN masks your IP address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure encrypted connection to provide greater privacy than even a secured Wi-Fi hotspot. Example: suppose a person is using Express VPN and government want to know what he is doing. So government will go to Express VPN office and they will tell them, please show your logs of user. So in that case, if company provides its log to the government, then what you have visited, what you were doing, you using VPN also can be traced, and you may get trouble. So it is very important to use which type of VPN. I personally recommend Viper VPN and Express VPN because I think they are safe. It is absolutely my choice. Then comes RDP. What is RDP? RDP allows one computer to connect with another computer within the network. It is Internet Protocol by using Microsoft. Basically, Carder use it to connect to a computer on the geolocation of the person whose credit card owner want to use. So it is used for safety and stay safe anonymous. Here Carder using others PC for doing carding instead of their own to remain safe. So there are various RDP available like AWS, which is of Amazon, Google's Quick Lab, and various other. Always use paid RDP. Drop. So what is drop? Drop is an address which Carder uses for shipping address in the carding process. Let me explain in detail with an example. If I am carding with US credit card, then I use US address as a shipping address. They will order, then will be shipped successfully and I will be safe. So the order will come to US address only, which is billing address to the drop. If you have relatives or friends, then there is no problem. Otherwise, use sites who provide drop services, so and you have to pay them few amount. So it is very important to use them. So Viabox and many more other dropping services I recommend because their services are very good. Because most of the product I card, I use these sites only, because there is difference between billing address and shipping address. Billing address is one address of actual credit card owner's address, and shipping address is your address where the product will be delivered. In case I am from India, I have USA credit card. So what I will do, I will provide, suppose I am visiting Amazon, I want to buy a product using his credit card. Since he lives in USA, I will search in sites which like BinDB and many more sites which tells us complete detail about particular credit card, in which country it is, what is the branch of bank. I will choose nearby location and I will include it in billing address, but I will put shipping address of drop address so that drop shipping person will take the order, and then within a few days these drop shipping people will come to my actual address and they will give me particular product. So in this case I have received my product in easy way. This is most important step, because if you mistake in this step, then there are chances that you may get caught red-handed. So now we are coming to most important part, that is credit card. So this is very much important, so read it carefully. And credit card, it is in the following format as it is shown below: credit card number, expiry date, CVV code, name of card, address, city, country, zip code, and many more. This is randomly taken number, credit card detail, as you can see, CVV expiry, nation, name, address, and many more things. The credit card will look like this when you will buy from Surface Web or Deep Web. So if you follow all these steps properly, I've seen most of the people which are modern carders use all steps properly, but they get caught. Why they caught? Because of their browser. Because while performing carding, you should make sure that you are anonymous. Because one mistake will lead you in jail because it is illegal. So FraudFox and anti-detect browser are very much important in carding. I will explain it in detail in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching video. So list of working email created by your own Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook Mail. This email you should have because company will send product updates on this email address. You should not use temporary email because there are chances that they will not process your purchase good, because nowadays the systems are more secure and they can detect what is fraud and how to cancel the particular trade. So thank you. So coming to next section, how to become professional carder. So there are requirements for carding. To become professional carder, which is pro carder, here is what you need. Firstly, you need a computer or desktop or laptop, whatever, including phone is also fine, but I recommend computer. You should use it for safety purpose. The second thing, you need CC cleaner to clear your cache. This is very important. I will cover this whole part in upcoming video. Third one, you should have SOCKS IP address so that you will be not caught. Fourth one, use VPN or RDP. You can use both, but I will explain it in detail. Fifth one, you need a list of working email address like Google, Yahoo Mail and Outlook Mail, because in this case temporary mail which are available on internet, they are easily detectable and website will delete the entire shopping procedure which you have made using that mail, so your order will be cancelled. Sixth one, you need virtual machine, because to be anonymous and to be safe you need virtual machine. So there are various virtual machine available in market like VirtualBox, VMware Workstation. You can install Windows in there and use it for safety purpose. And the most important thing, which is CC, which is credit card. You can buy from Surface Web or Dark Web or Deep Web, whatever. I will show you entire procedure from zero to hero. I will make you, and you will be able to purchase CC from Dark Web as well as Surface Web. Then comes user agent fingerprint spoofing tool, which is FraudFox anti-detect browser. I will perform practically and you will learn how to use it in upcoming videos. And ninth one, you have done all the things, but how the product will reach to you. So we will use drop method. There are various drop method available which I will tell you in the later part. Thank you for being there. Just sticking around. So, types of credit card. There are various types of credit card which I am going to tell you in later part. So, American Express card. It is also known as Amex card. It starts with number 3. Then there is Visa card. It starts with number 4. Then there is MasterCard. It starts with number 5. And then Discover card with starting number 6. So why do we have the starting number of credit card or debit card different? The answer is quite simple, because there are different cards available in the market of different companies. So there are also various types of Visa card. Out of them, one is Classic. It is used worldwide for ATM, virtual store, to buy goods and services like to buy phone, television sets, etc., and they are easily available. Then there is Visa Gold. It has high capacity and used in worldwide. Then there is Visa Platinum, but it has limits of 10,000. Then there is Visa Infinite. This is the most prestigious card with having virtually no limit. There is less in circulation, so be alert when buying this type of card. Use only with reputable seller, because these cards are very important, and the owner of the cards are extremely rich, because normal person cannot afford it. Then comes Visa Business. It is used in business purpose. Then Visa Corporate. It is used in medium to large size of business, having more limit than business card. Mostly in corporation it is used. Then comes Visa Black. It is rare card and has limited membership. It has no limit, only having $500 annual fee. High-end card. Mostly businessmen and extremely rich people use this. So if their money gets stolen, they can file complaint, and within a minute you can be tracked. So be aware while buying this type of card, especially Visa Black. Types of MasterCard. As mentioned earlier, MasterCard also has Standard, Gold, Platinum, World and World Elite. As you can see images of all Standard, Gold, Platinum, World and World Elite. So coming to another type of credit card, which is Amex card. The full form of Amex is American Express. The first image is of Gold American Express. It has limit of 10k limit. Then comes the Platinum. It has 35k limit. Then there is high end 75k plus, and known as a Black Amex card. It is very powerful card. So always while buying CC, be aware which card you are buying, and is it risky. So be careful while buying this type of cards. Thank you. I hope all the doubts related to credit card are solved in this slide. Thank you. So what is BIN? BIN stands for Bank Identification Number, as shown in figure. In figure there are 12 digits. Out of 12 digits, first 6 digit is known as BIN. I have mentioned two websites, bindb.com and ccbinspro.com. By this you can get entire information about credit or debit card which you have purchased from the surface web or dark web. Now I will show you practically how it is performed. As you can see, here I have been. I am clicking on check, and it gives us the entire detail about the credit card. It is Rupee, type is Classic, location is India, and bank name is Kalyan Janta. And as you can see, another one is also of Rupee, but the bank is of Bank of Baroda, country India, and many more. This one, see, this one country is also India, vendor Visa, type debit and Platinum, and bank ICICI. In this way you can use BINs. Thank you. So in this video I will show you how you can change the MAC address. So first of all, you have to open Google Chrome, then enter Titanium MAC address changer. Then you can see titanium.com. as you can see,
then click on that, and here you will see download option. So click on download. This is very important. So after downloading, you will get set up like this. Right click on that and open it. Allow permission. Then see, here the whole new options are available. As you can see, my original MAC address is 74E6E2 187783 and active also. Now we gonna change it. So for changing, first of all, you should know what is your original MAC address. For that, if you don't know, then I am showing you procedure how you can find out. Go to control panel, open that, then go in, and you should go in network and internet. Then in this you should go in network and sharing center. Then you should go in network and adapter setting. So after clicking this, as you can see, in my case I have TP-Link Dell wireless router. So I will right click on it and go on status. Then I will go in details. As you can see, my physical MAC address is 4BB583015F9. Okay, so now we will change it. But how? Using titanium MAC address changer. So first of all, I will cut all this, and now I will untick all the things which I don't want to use it. So first of all, I will untick them. I'm going to change only my Wi-Fi MAC address. So for that purpose I'm showing you, otherwise this will not happen. Your MAC address will not change. Okay, so untick all except Wi-Fi. So now as you can see, okay, now only Wi-Fi is connected. So we will choose the random MAC address. All things should be ticked and change now. Okay, now it will get a change successfully. Initially it was another, now it is, original was 475833015E9. Now active MAC address has been changed to 020163976054. So let's just check out what actually happened to our MAC address. So click on open, network and internet, network and sharing center, advanced adapter, right click on Wi-Fi, status, details. As you can see, physical address is 0201976054. Here also 020016054. As you can see, this one and this one, this is our active MAC address. Now I am going to restore it. So as you know how to change MAC address now, so I am going to restore my original MAC address. I am clicking on restore, and see, our MAC address was restored originally as it was. So and click on all. Now once again we will confirm it, our MAC address 1 and internet, network and sharing, change adapter setting, Wi-Fi, right click, status, details. As you can see, it is restored to original one. So now you know how to change the MAC address. Thank you.
So hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can install Windows 10 on VirtualBox machine. Okay, so for that you should open your browser and search VirtualBox. Then it will open like this. Then you have to download the Windows version as you can see on the screen. So click on that. Now it will start downloading. Open it and install. Give all necessary permissions and where you want to install it, give path. So I am creating VM section. Then click on next and be sure that all these are ticked. Then click on yes, install. Now it will install VirtualBox. Okay, now installation is completed. Click on finish. Now as you can see, there is VirtualBox open. So now what we will do, we will download ISO of Windows 10, which you can get from Microsoft. I have 64-bit version, so I will download the 64-bit version. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. I will open it. So as you can see, a dialog box appears. I will create installation media of ISO file. I will select my language, edition and my Windows architecture. You should do according to your need. In my case I have 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit. Then click on next. I need ISO file, so be sure to tick on ISO file and click on next. And where you want to save folder, you should select that path and click on next. Now Windows 10 is downloading. As you can see, in desktop Windows 10 ISO is created. Now click on new, name the file Windows 10. Click on next and give them memory size RAM. Then click on next. You should click on next and then give them the location and size. Click on create. Go on storage, then click on Windows 10 empty and choose virtual optical file and click on Windows 10 ISO and open it. Now it is selected. As you can see, now click on OK. Now click on start. Now installation process is being started on VirtualBox. As you can see, this is basic Windows 10 installation. Select time zone, keyboard type and install. Now it demands product key. Click on skip. Accept all license and terms. Click on next. Click on custom install. Next, and now it will start installing Windows in your system of VirtualBox. Now as you can see, the process is going on. See, now it's asking product key once again. So now this is basic installation of Windows 10, and now it asks who is the owner of PC. Click on I own it and click on next. Then skip it. And now make your account and get logged in. Or if you don't have account, then you can sign up. So as you can see, now Windows 10 is available on VirtualBox. This is how you should do all procedure, and you will be able to install Windows 10 on your VirtualBox machine. So thank you. So what does the idea of a secure browser mean at the moment? The world is now more complex than it was 5 years ago. IP address and the HTTP cookies as identity things are now useless. Different researchers and developers, and of course the government privacy invaders from NSA thanks Snowden, began to inventing very hard method of user tracing based on your browser feature. JavaScript window object and specially window navigator object disclose a lot sensitive information about your browser, like user agent, language, time zone, plugin sites, can draw the device specific image that 100% will identify you as a unique user with WebRTC and HTML5 canvas technologies. If you think they will use your result to show user oriented ads next time, exit please the website, because they will not do. Fantastic things like audio fingerprint, no problem, they have it. So you what to do with all this? Okay, that I am going to tell. So for avoiding all this, you should use anti-detect browser, which is much more powerful, and we will use in carding because by using it we will become anonymous. Okay, so no one can trace us. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have anti-detect browser. Now I am opening it. I have 15.2. As you can see, now I'm going to choose Opera version here. Okay, everything is off. Let's change it. Then I have changed language to US. And I'm choosing the version OS and Flash version. As you can see, there are JavaScript header Flash plugin setting. In this you can also do add various plugin, and you should give Firefox path. Always you have to generate config. This is very important steps. Then click on browser, copy the path, paste it here and open the Firefox portable. Then again wait for few minutes, connect to VPN. Now I'm going to connect my VPN to Brazil to stay safe, because in carding staying safe is most important and it's the top priority. It takes time. Now you can see we are connected to Brazil. Now we will run Firefox. Now we will generate config and then run Firefox. We will select path as Firefox. Okay, now it is opening. Now we will search whoer.net. This will tell us about complete thing about our IP to host name, browsers and many more things. As you can see, our DNS is showing Brazil since we have connected VPN, and my IP is 185.153.176.5. As you can see, nothing is showing. You can see WebRTC. Okay, now we will change the user agent. Mozilla 5.0 iPhone. Now we will on it and paste it here. Now see, as you can see, browser type is changed to Mozilla Firefox. Android 4.2 Flash version is enabled. Now we will generate config and click on refresh. We will clear all cookies. Okay, now we will again run portable Firefox. Now once again we will check whoer.net. Now as you can see, IP is changed. OS version is iOS phone, which I mentioned earlier, and navigator browser is Safari 10.0 as you can see. And the version is 10.0. Then coming to downside, you can see Mozilla 5.0, iPhone OS and many more things. As you can see, Apple WebKit 602.46. Exactly, this is same thing which I have pasted in it. Okay, now we will clear all the cookies and many more things. Minimize window, refresh again, click on plugin, choose another plugin. I'm using different one this time. Okay, and then we will generate config, again refresh and run Firefox. Now again we will go to that website whoyar.net or check2ib.com. As you can see, in check2ib.com, IP is not blacklisted. This is one of the most important thing. And in whoyar.net you can see iOS version Now we will close all tab, clear once again cookies. Now we will choose Windows and we will give Windows NT 5.1. We will generate config, run Firefox. Now we will check on whoyar.net. Now we will get completely new thing. As you can see, operating system is Windows XP, browser is Firefox. As you can see, browser is Firefox 24.0, which is exactly which we have used in anti-detect, and the headers are Windows NT 5.1, Windows 64-bit platform. See, exactly same. So in this way, carders do carding and staying safe by using anti-detect browser. So now you know how to use anti-detect browser. Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can get RDP. I always prefer paid RDP rather than free ones. You can buy from the internet. I always use Quick Labs RDP. Okay, so you have to click here and then you have to create your account and join in and pay them, then they will provide you RDP. Since I have created account and I have monthly subscription of Quick Labs, so I will direct log in. Okay, so welcome back guys. As you can see, I have opened my Google Cloud Training Quick Labs. As you can see, I have monthly subscription which is paid one. Okay, so now in search box type VM instances. Then you can see there are various things available. Search VM. Okay, then scroll down, click on next page. And here as you can see, creating an instance with multiple network interfaces. This we have to use. See here, price is also given 5 credits. 5 credits they want for 1 hour, so we will use this one. I will click on creating instance with multiple networks. As you can see, here is complete tutorial how you should use it. Then I will click on start lab. I will use my subscription. Okay, now I will open this link in new tab. Now I will copy username. Click on next and password I will copy. I will accept them. I will confirm it. Then as you can see, now it is loading. Now click on agree, continue. Now there is compute engine, then click on VM instances. Click on create. Okay, this is the main part. Now I am using 15 GB memory with 4 CPU, and you can see we have to change it to Windows. I will choose Windows Server. Then I will choose Windows Server 2019 Data Center, and I will select. I will allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic, and I will click on create. Now our RDP will create. Now our RDP will be created. We have to wait some time. As you can see, it needs 4 min to get activated, so we will wait. So we will click on Windows set password, click on set. Now copy the password, click on close, click on download RDP file. Now RDP file is downloaded. Wait for again 3 minutes. Wait for 3 to 4 minutes. So now here wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now I will open this. Click on connect. So as you can see, we have downloaded the RDP file. Now this one is RDP file, so we will open it. Now since the file is downloaded, we will open this file.
Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching my cover of Astronomia, aka The Coffin Dance. The song is absolutely blowing up right now and I got a ton of requests from you guys for it. Plus it was right up my alley, so how could I say no? As always, I want to thank my incredible Patreon team that supports me over on Patreon. If you want to get involved in that, link is in the description and you can click the playlist to the right to watch more videos.
So now copy password which we have done earlier. Click on yes. Okay, as you can see, now we are about to get connected to our RDP. See, we are connected. So this is most important while doing carding, because you are using another one's PC, which is virtual machine. Okay, so to stay safe, first so here are my tips. Like, firstly, you should clear your all browser cache on your initial system, then get connected to VPN, then log into your RDP, and from that RDP you should do carding. Click on yes. So why do we need RDP? To stay safe. Okay, in this way you have successfully configured RDP and you will do all carding related stuff in RDP. You should use SOXY, anti-detect browser, all these things in RDP, then you will be extra secure. So hello guys, welcome. Today I will show you how you can set proxies, which is SockSwipe proxies on Mozilla Firefox. But for that you need to purchase SockSwipe proxy. As you can see, socksproxy.net, 911 SY proxy and VIP72.com. These are the trusted website which you should have. Purchase socks from this website only. Apart from them, there are several other free proxies. Then there is ProxyList and sockslist.net, but the free ones are not good, they all are dead, so do not use it. Always buy and purchase the socks from reputed website which I have told you. And then there is this checker also, in which you can paste your proxies and check whether they are live or dead. As you can see, this is the free proxy, so I will copy them and I will paste them on a checker. Okay, I will click on fill socks and then check. As you can see, process have now started. As you can see how much I have pasted. Live is only few and die is 71. So I always tell you, do not use the free proxy, and which is free, they are blacklisted also, so always use paid proxy. Okay, since I have tools for SockSwipe proxy, I will use them. I have this gather proxy tool, so I will open it and take SockSwipe from them. As you can see, there are two more, Proxify and SockSwipe only. You should always click on SockSwipe only, and it is on gather proxy, thread 50, timeout 30, and click on start. Okay, now the process of gathering proxies will begin. As you can see on downside, it is starting, it will take few times. So now as you can see, the first proxy, second proxy along with has started giving it. So let's wait for few more minutes. It requires more time to do its work. So as you can see, it is processing proxies. So now I have this much proxies ongoing, close to 700. Now I will stop them. Okay, I will use, these are the live proxies, so I will use, let's say, this proxy. Okay, I will click copy. It is copied. I will stop that. Now filtering and checking process will begin. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a live section, how much proxies are good, how much proxies are bad, but I will show you now how it is done. So in this case I have to click here, go in options, then scroll down, then there will be network setting, click on setting. Here it is use system proxy setting, we will click on manual proxy configuration, and here we will paste the proxies which we have. And then we will click on OK. Now it is based on SockSwipe. So as you can see, I am in India. This is my ISP. City is Dombivli, region Maharashtra. So now what we will do, okay, now we will duplicate tab. As you can see, here is Dombivli, and now it is changed to United Nations, region New York, city New York, ISP Digital Ocean Services Network Sharing Center. And as you can see here, ISP, city, region and country are totally different, so that's why I recommend you should use SockSwipe proxy instead of VPN while doing carding, as you can see. Okay, now if you have problem that you are unable to connect internet, then after your operation is completed, click on options, go on network setting, and then again click on system proxy setting after you have done carding. Okay, so now it will be changed, as you can see. Now once again this is showing my address, so that was SOX proxy. This proxy was SOX proxy of United States. Okay, so that's why I always recommend you should use SOXY. And to check whether that your browser is blacklisted or not, you should visit check to IP. You can always see whether your IP is blacklisted or not using these websites. Okay, thanks for watching. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to others alternative, Bitcoin have number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via internet without going to bank. This means that fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account cannot be frozen and there are no pre-secrets and arbitrary limits. Let's look out how it works. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy and sell bitcoins from dollar, euros and more. Your bitcoins are kept in digital wallet on your computer or mobile device. Sending bitcoin is as simple as sending an email, and you can purchase anything with bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated bitcoin for verifying transactions. After transactions are verified, they are recorded in a transparent public ledger. Bitcoins opens up a whole new platform for innovation. The software is completely open source and anyone can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Bitcoins are a great way for business to minimize transaction fees. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them and it's easy to use. There are no chargebacks and you shall get additional business from Bitcoin economy. To get started buying Bitcoin, log into your local Bitcoin account or sign up for free. In the search box in front of the page, type in amount you want to buy and choose your preferred payment method. Select all online offer to see all available advertisement. Press search and you will see a list of advertisement by different trader. Each row represent one advertisement. Starting from the left, you shall see the trader's username, the number of completed trades along with the trader's feedback score. Place your mouse over the color circle to see how recently the trader has been online. The payment method column shows you the payment method of advertisement price. Per bit column shows the Bitcoin price in your currency for a full Bitcoin. If you want to buy more or less than one Bitcoin, it's no problem. The limits column shows you the smallest and the largest amount that you can buy from the advertisement. Click the buy button to open the advertisement and see more information like the reputation of the trader and his terms of trade. Make sure the amount is correct and then press the send trade request button. All online trades are protected from fraud by being escrow enabled. This means that when the trade is started, we take the Bitcoin from the trader and keep it stored safe in escrow until the trade is completed. You can chat with the trader to get help with your trade. Pay for the Bitcoin according to the instruction you are given. It's important to pay before the payment window runs out or else your trade will be cancelled. Then you may lose your money mark. The payment completes when you have paid by pressing the button. This stops the trade from cancelling automatically. and when the trader sees your payment, he will release the Bitcoin to this moves the Bitcoin to your local Bitcoin wallet from escrow. You can go to your wallet by clicking on your wallet balance on the menu bar, and that's all. Happy trading. As you can see, amount has been put on. To send Bitcoin, you shall first need to know the Bitcoin address that you are sending to. Once you know the address, go to your wallet page by clicking on your wallet balance in the menu bar. Here in the Send Bitcoin section, enter the Bitcoin address you are sending to in the Receiving Bitcoin address field. Enter the Bitcoin amount you want to send in the amount in the Bitcoin field. Press the Continue button to go to the verification page. Check very carefully that the amount and address is correct, as once you send a Bitcoin transaction, it cannot be reversed or taken back. Enter your password or two-factor authentication code and press the confirm button to send your Bitcoin transaction. After it is sent, it will take around 1 to 3 hours before receiver gets the Bitcoin. Thank you. Using your local Bitcoin wallet is easy. If you don't yet have an account, you can register by clicking sign up free. When you are logged in, it's time to go to your local Bitcoin wallet. To do that, click this link in the menu bar. If you don't have a Bitcoin balance, it will say wallet. If you brought a receipt Bitcoin, it will show your Bitcoin balance. Instead, you shall find your receiving Bitcoin address under the Receive Bitcoin section. Copy your receiving address and give it to the person or the company who wants to send you a Bitcoin. After they send you a Bitcoin transaction, it will show up under incoming transaction. An incoming transaction needs 3 confirmations before you can spend it. It usually takes 1 to 3 hours. To increase your privacy, we give you a new address each time you receive a transaction. However, your old address will still work. As you can see, now I have received the Bitcoin in BTC section of receiving Bitcoin. So thank you. So now you know how to receive Bitcoin in your wallet. Now we will see how to buy various cards from deep web, from dark web market. As you can see, here is the website ccshop.com. You can see they sell CC at very cheap rate. As you can see, Visa card plastic loaded with $1,800 USD for $97 Bitcoin. Okay, so it is very easy to use. You have to click on pay with Bitcoin. Then you can see Visa card plastic, email, name, address, phone number, and pay 95 USD. Then you will get the notification. Then there is Evil Shop. Now this website is offline,
but they sell the best. As you can see, I have clicked on cards. It will show a variety of cards which are available. So first of all we have to log in. So as you can see, I will use temporary mail for just explanation, but you should not use it. Okay. So I have copied and then I will click on register. Name Kaushal, email I will give which one is of temp mail, password, so I will click on continue. See, I've clicked on registered. Now I am registered user. So here you can see their conditions. They claim that they are 24/7 available, 100% legit shop and quick delivery and many more stuffs like that. So we want cards, so we will click here on cards. As you can see here also, they sell many credit and debit card. You can see PayPal, even okay. Suppose if you want to buy a particular card, I want to buy this card, they are also saying that you need to pay this much amount. So here are various method of shipping. What would be the name and email? I will put this. Okay. And I will click on submit. Obviously this is fake address I have just created for explanation. Okay, as you can see here they show that this card has balance of 2578 and the price of the card is 0.027 Bitcoin. I will click on continue. Okay, now what is written from them? Dear user, thank you for your order of debit card. This is to inform you that the card will get shipped once we receive your payment. Please send exactly 0.279 to this Bitcoin address. Okay, as you can see, once you pay they will send a soft copy of your credit card or debit card through email. Then there is another one, be rich. So here also the process is very similar. Firstly you have to log in. Now I am logging in. Oh sorry, you have to use email ID. Then there is A1 quality credit card store. I recommend you that you should use this website because it is nice website. Okay, you get this at the cheap rate. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. Then there is this one also, Deep Marketplace. You can buy various stuff
from here. Escrow is also they accept. As you can see, platinum card, and then we have to click on vendor. Then it will show the list, and it depends on you whether you want to buy or not. As you can see, they sell plenty of stuffs. Okay, now as you can see, here are some frequently asked questions about CCs. You can see they have Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, and many more. Okay, you can buy from this. As you can see, they are loaded with money. Okay, now as you can see, here are various things written regarding delivery. I will choose add to the cart. Okay, now I will check out. As you can see, now they will ask this much detail where you want to ship and what will be the payment process and many more. The next site is store CC. This one is also best one. The process is quite similar as the various method I told you in the earlier section. Okay, you can buy CC from here also. You can buy American Express card and many more. As you can see, okay, so thank you for watching. In the further part, I will practically show you how you can buy CC credit card from the web practically. So thank you for watching. So hello guys, welcome. In this section I will show you how you can buy CC from surface web, which is in simple terms I will say from normal internet. Okay, so now I am logging in. There are several websites as you can see on the tab. I will explain each one of it in detail. Okay, so please wait, be patient. This is one of the most important website which you get. Okay, so this is one of the most important website. Many carder use this website for carding. Here you should have valid balance. Like right now I have 0. Here minimum should be of $100. So as you can see in the card section, USA is trending in hot. So as you can see, this much credit cards are available on a deep web. Sorry. As you can see, this much credit card are available on the normal internet. So you can buy from them. As you can see, there is Visa card. They show the starting number, its expiry, bank name, first name of CC owner, his city, state, country, and whether he has driver license and his date of birth including price. As you can see, $12. According to different website, their charges are also different. As you can see, Visa card is available, then Discover, which is of US, then MasterCard. Mostly US cards are available because people in US do online shopping in more amount. As you can see, there is Australia and New Zealand cards also available. Okay, see, as you can see now, it shows ANZ Bank, which is located in Australia. And note that now in this case there is no driver license, no date of birth, and the price is same. So you should always buy credit card from the deep web. I recommend that. So now we are going to buy some credit card. Okay, so I'm living in India, so I want Wait a minute. So I'm living in India. I want Indian card to be carded. Okay. So I will change my country, but here only two options are available. As you can see, all card levels are mentioned here. You can select which one do you want. If you want, in my case, I want for purchasing platinum. Card type, I want credit card. Country, I will choose all country. Okay. Now with driver license, date of birth, no, I don't want that. Okay, now you can see the new list has been updated. Okay, then there are so many websites. As you can see, now I am clicking on this and then add selected card to shopping cart. Okay, so so it has been selected and it's showing your balance is empty, please deposit money to buy cards. Okay, so firstly we have to deposit money. So first of all we need to, so there are many of the cards available, as you can see. Okay, now another website is UniCC Shop Bazaar. This is most trusted, so we will try to register. Okay, and I will use my temporary email address for registration purpose. Okay, so I think so they have sent some verification email ID. We have to wait. So we have created everything. Now I will click on sign up. So as you can see, this is UniCC Shop Bazaar. So as you can see, they have their current domain and they post everything how you can use it in Mozilla Firefox. You can use it by blockchain DNS. Okay, so what they have, buy, we will click on products. Okay, so now it will load. Okay, as you can see, there are massive list of credit card available, so you can buy it. Here everything of the credit card is given. See, classic debit and many more, his address and many more things. They are selling at $10 price, even at $2 price, as you can see. Okay, so let us search some cards. I have written a bin and now I will try to search whether cards are available or not. Okay, as you can see, I want card which should be in India. India is here, so I will save and load. So as you can see, now the list of various credit card are shown. Like as you can see, these all credit card are from India, from different cities like Pune, Kanpur, Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, and they are selling at $15, $12, and in much as well as in $10 also. So it is very easy to buy them. So let me just show you how to buy these cards. Okay, but for that you should have balance. Right now I don't have balance, so
so I will not show you. Then the other side comes a valid CC shop online. This is also very trusted website. I will click on sign in because I have created already an account. So as you can see, these are the list of countries available credit card, their starting number, credit card owner's name, state, city, zip, their SSN number is whether present or not, date of birth, price and buy. Okay, I want to buy Indian card. So as you can see, they are selling at very cheap price, $6. So if I want, then I will click on buy, and then there will be amount in USD. As you can see, minimum payment should be $51. So you should always use purchase more than 4 or 5 card if you do carding. Okay, first of all you have to add funds to your wallet, then only you can buy. Then there comes valid CC. So in this case, okay, so we will have to register it. So as you can see, now I will click on sign in. So again, everything is present here. Okay, so you can buy cards from here also. They are the trusted website. So first of all you have to add amount. So in my case, if I want to add $50, see here the case is you have to add fund in your website address according to CC. See, as it is noted here, the minimal amount of the fund for adding should be $50 and balance will be updated after there are at least 2 confirmation in the Bitcoin network, which means they are trusted. So as you can see here is given USD to BTC. So if I will click on purchase, they will send me a QR code. Okay, so I have to pay in this QR code the Bitcoin amount. See, as you can see here it is written, if you don't have a Bitcoin, you can exchange money for Bitcoin, for example at paxful.com. The Paxful is a platform where you can buy Bitcoin very easily, and you can see here Bitcoin address is also given. If you pay them on this address within 1 or 2 hours, the funds will be added in your valid ccseller.com's ID, and then only you can buy this all credit cards. Okay, this is the surface web from which you can buy the credit card. Okay, so never use your personal email ID on this. Always try to use Proton email, because most of the people do the use of Proton email in carding. Okay, so thank you for watching. So as you can see, these were the various products which are available on deep web. So you must have Tor browser. So open the above link on Tor browser. So you will see this interface. Okay, and they are legit compared to others which are available on dark web. As you can see, they sell credit card, PayPal credits and many more. You can buy each of these products by using Tor browser. So as you can see, now we will buy product practically. As you can see, there is also PayPal money transfer to your account, and they have given us their contact email address. See, as you can see, there is various card available, but you have to pay with Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see, there are various charges for different card. We will buy first one, Visa card. As you can see, they are having $1,500 at the price for $120 Bitcoin. So now I'm going to click on pay with Bitcoin. Okay, now they are asking for email address. So my suggestion, never give your own email address. You should use temporary email like Proton email, not like Tempmail or email on deck. From my preference, you should always use Proton email, because most of the people use in dark web, which is Proton email. Now click on pay. Okay, now you can see the QR code, and below it you can see Bitcoin address. So you have to send money to that particular address, and below that you can see timer is going on. Select and copy in your wallet ID and purchase them. If this timer runs out, then your payment will be cancelled. So be very careful, because there is time limit involved in it. You have to do transaction. So now I have completed the transaction, as you can see. Okay, now we will wait when the money will arrive to us. Okay, now I have opened my Proton mail. So here the mail is given, your order is successful. Okay, so it's their message that they are saying thanks for being with us, your order has been received. Usually it takes 6 to 7 hours to deliver any product. All instruction will be attached with upcoming email from us. Regards. Okay, card sales. Okay, now we will wait and we will see whether they will be sending us Visa credit card or not. Okay, as you can see, after a long time I have received order successful with RAR file. Okay, in this they have attached Visa card details, which of course I am not going to show you, because already you know what are there, like credit, CVV, expiry date, which I will use in carding. I will download it, and as you can see, I have got this. I will extract it, and you can see the folder is created. In this all the documents are present, like CCV number and its ID, and there is guide also. Okay, so thank you for watching. What is the meaning of VBV, non-VBV and MSC? In simple terms, today I am going to explain you. So VBV means verified by Visa. It has extra level of protection added by Visa to protect your card from fraud, like date of birth, password, social security number and mother's name, etc. Also sending OTP, which is one-time password, has extra security level to card owner mobile number to validate each transaction. Then there is non-VBV, which is verified by Visa, handy to use, no need of extra information as specified in verified by Visa card. While doing the transaction, note it down, important. Carders mainly buy and use non-VBV card for carding because they are easy to use, no OTP is generated,
no, while performing carding, no date of birth, mother's name, social security number is asked. So non-VBV is preferred method of carding. So we should buy only one and only non-VBV verified by Visa card. So then comes MSC, which is Mastercard Secure Code. Security level is same as verified by Visa. So as I told you, you should only use non-VBV card. If you use other than non, then that CC is completely waste because it can ask OTP. So you have purchased particular CC for $10, $2 or even $5 to $15. It comes various ranges according to CC limit. So it will be completely waste. So do not use it. So what is AWS? The AWS stands for Address Verification System. It is the system which is used to identify the credit card holder's original address, which is the billing address provided by the user while shopping or doing online transaction. The system is used to identify the online fraud over internet. Suppose the person living in USA, I have his credit card and I'm living in India. Okay, so think that the person who's owner of CC, its credit card has the function of AVS, address verification system. If I will buy the product from Amazon, then I will choose direct shipping address to my Indian address. Then in that case, the CC owner will get notification that he has been in attempt to be frauded over internet, because this system is very advanced and it can cancel the whole transaction. So here comes the most important step, how to check whether the credit card is live or dead. So in internet there are many sites available to verify credit card. So to check whether the card is live or dead, but they will charge particular amount like 0.001, and prices may vary according to the website, but be sure almost 80% of the websites kill the credit card, so never use it. So while using credit card, there are tools also available on internet to check credit card status, but most of them are a backdoor or Trojan, so prefer not to use it. As such, there is no easy method to check out. I have seen carder uses own way to find it out. One of the way is most carder go to pawn site, buy membership and confirm the credit card is live and proceed with carding. So guys, never check credit card on any online website, because it will give you one chance, two chance, three chance, and within a few times your card will be blocked and you will not be able to use it. So do not check on online website. And other thing, buy CC, which is credit card, from trusted websites, which I am going to tell you. Do not buy from some unknown market. Like in dark web also there are many scammers who tell people that they can give CC, but after you pay them, they block you, they flee away. So be careful. Okay, so hello guys, this is Kaushal Pal, and today I will tell you about how you can do carding practically. Okay, so first disclaimer, the course instructor intent is to spread awareness about carding. The course instructor is not responsible for any damage occurs This is for educational purpose only. Okay. Hello guys, if you were a victim of carding or fraud or really want to understand what is carding and how it should be done, then I have prepared a document which will clear the basic understanding. So the procedure of carding is as follow. You have to create an email ID matching to credit card holder's name. Okay, in my case I am Kaushal Pal, so I will create kaushalpal21@gmail.com, kaushalpal@22gmail.com. First of all, you have to make sure that you have credit card and in that location, in that what is the location city, that stuff should be present. Okay, in step 2 you should use VPN to the closest city from which you are thinking to do carding. In step 3, if you have RDP, you need to connect to credit card holder's location. Okay, if you don't have RDP, then I will tell you the following method. Like, you should have virtual machine in Windows, in that Windows 7, 8.1 or 10 should be installed. Then you should change the MAC address, run CC cleaner to clean the caches, and then you should set up SoxY in Firefox. I have used Chrome in carding. You should not do this. You should only use Mozilla Firefox. Okay. In step 8, you should double check that your IP is not blacklisted. If your IP is blacklisted, then there are chances that your order might be get cancelled. In step 9, use anti-detect or FraudFox browser and change your time zone to become anonymous. And in step 10, again clear all the caches. Okay, now you're ready for carding. So you should open any site which you want to card, like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Myntra and many more. Then in step 12, like my CC name is Kaushal Pal, so I will create Gmail ID and I will research that the card which I have got, what's the location of the address which is closest city to it. Okay, as I have already told you in bin section that how you can find it. So do not select higher amount card in your first time. Okay, then in shipping address, you should provide your shipping address, or if you are residing in another country, then in that case you may use drop shipping. Then in that case, is if you are drop shipping, then the delivery address should be of drop address. Let me explain. Shipping address is the address you want to ship the product, and it may be drop address itself. If you are using drop address, then company will give you a particular address, then you have to feed in Amazon the shipping address of drop address given by you. Okay, billing address is the address of the credit card owners. Okay, and how this will work, this is the main thing. So what happens, if I am ordering the product, firstly Amazon will give the product to shipping address, then shipping of drop. Okay, then in drop they will deliver that product to my address which is in India, so indirectly I will get my product. Then you have to go in payment page, choose the payment method like credit card, and you should manually enter it because most of the system now have copy paste detector script. Finally, after adding billing address and credit card owner's address information, proceed to payment process. If everything is done right, then your order will be successful. Okay, see, I have mentioned note, if you are using drop service, then enter the shipping address which drop company has provided you, and they will ship the product to the address which you have given to them. Okay, so once order arrives at the shipping address, you can receive it from delivery boy. Okay, sometimes they ask for proof, then you can arrange some fake ID and many more stuff like that. You can Google it. So now you know how carding is done. Okay, these are very necessary steps. In later part I will show you how you can practically card Amazon product. Okay, and I am not responsible if any of thing or damage happen to you, because this is for only educational purpose. So now I will show you how I will card Amazon product, and later I will cancel the order because I am showing for educational purpose only. Okay, so hello guys, in this video I will show you, I have already added in the basket OnePlus 7. Okay, we will buy this smartphone by doing carding. Okay, now I will proceed to checkout. Okay, in payment method I will use CC, which I have bought from Deep Web. As you can see here, delivery time and date are mentioned. Now I will click on buy now, and see, as you can see, your order has been placed. I am doing this for my US customer, so I have inserted his address in the shipping section, and the billing address is of CC owner's address. Okay, and we have got the confirmation. Okay, as you can see this. Now I will show you in my Gmail ID. Many carders claim that they have ordered your product, but they get blocked by Amazon because they are using invalid CC. So since I have brought from Deep Web CC, so my order will be confirmed. So as you can see in this, it says that track package, means they have listed us. Okay, as you can see, I have got mail from Amazon. This order will only get to legit ones compared to fake carders. Okay, so always buy CC from Deep Web. As you can see, the cost is given and many more stuff like this. As you can see this one. So now you know practically how to card the items. Okay, so staying safe on the dark web. The 6 points listed in the PPT. First one, not clicking on unknown link, do not visit the site you don't know, use VPN, use different machine, do not trust people on forum, and do not enter your information anywhere. So now we are going to talk about some tricks that you should use when you are surfing dark web or deep web. So first one, do not click on unknown link, because this link can take you anywhere to some websites, harmful websites, which hacks users data by running various scripts. So second point, do not visit the sites you don't know. This is the most important point. There are many people which are beginner. So for most of you guys which are beginner, when you go on the forum, because there's a one thing that everybody will do when they start out on deep web, they shall go to forum, then go on different social network, and you shall see there's a lot of links which are posted which are harmful. The last thing that you guys want, I want that do not click on unknown link, because it will never be beneficial for you, because it can harm your computer, PC, and various damages to your PC. Third one, use VPN.
I recommend ExpressVPN, Viper VPN because they are the best one. Fourth one, use different machine. So which machine? Like virtual machine. In that you should install Windows 7, 8, or even 10, which is the latest version of Windows. In virtual machine you should install VPN, then you should install Tor. Firstly, as you can see, as I have stated that initially you are on your primary system, then you have installed virtual machine. In that you are using VPN, and what VPN will do, what VPN will change the IP address, and then you use Tor browser. So so it would be untraceable if you follow steps properly. Fifth one, do not trust people on forum. There are many forum on deep web, dark web about ethical hacking, and they give various social media accounts like Netflix Prime Video and various like HBO accounts, Microsoft at cheap rates. In this forum, people are posting these things, so do not trust them. But majority of the people in the forum are fraud. They are looking for victim. If they find particular thing that about you, they can even hack you by giving you rat system. If you install that, then your PC would be hijacked. They can do whatever they want, and they can use various attacks from your PC, and the main important point, you will not come to know what is happening with yourself. Sixth one, do not enter your information anywhere, particularly bank information, SSN number, social security number. All these type of information, do not put it anywhere. Even if you think that you have got job on a deep web, well, do not put your information, because once again, that's the best way for them to just hack your information and sell your identity on websites that resells the people's identities. So now I'm going to give you few important tips from me. So as I'm engineer, I have from past 7 years I'm surfing deep web, dark web. Right now, when I was in 9th or 10th, initially I was noob. I was not knowing any information, but later I have trained myself and done many activities like hacking database, selling accounts, social media accounts, and even I do phishing and many more. Like I know what happens in deep web, dark web. Like I have also seen various horrifying things, which I think I should not tell you. I have visited red room, and I see various drugs and various lot of disturbing things on deep web. I know how it works, how it operates. So it's my humble request. The video is only for education purpose. Do not use it, because if you are caught by police, then the punishment would be very dangerous. It could affect your life. So stay safe. Thank you. Alright, welcome to all. This is last course of our section. So once again, hello and welcome back to our course of carding. In today's class, we are going to talk about the dangers that are present on darknet. As you can see, I have listed some 3 important points, like multitude of virus and malware. Users can find out where you are. The dark web is not dangerous place in itself. The people who use it are. So the first thing, before looking at all these points, the darknet, you saw in the various classes
It is used by many of the people, and you can get various things from darknet. There can be illegal things, but from technical point of view, first of all, you have a lot of viruses and malware in a lot of websites. So if you visit bad website, well, sometime you can have viruses and malware or a lot of stuff like this. So it's very important for you guys to be careful in the website that you are visiting. Do not click on unknown link, otherwise you can find a lot of disturbing things, and those disturbing things can come up with mail and viruses also. And this type of virus you can have on your computer. Deep web can sometimes be very powerful and just destroy your computer, because it has such powerful viruses present on dark web. So worth of information like banking information you should not put anywhere on deep web, otherwise there are chances that you may lose your money. The second thing, user can find where you are. Once again, it's not all user, I am talking about some good hackers. So if you are there are some website on the deep web, and there are some stories of the people who have been tracked down by the people because they well insulted some other people or just acted bad with some people. So be very careful. Once again I am saying, it's not you are anonymous on deep web unless you follow proper steps and precautions. What we have seen in this course is that using Tor you should be anonymous, but once again you don't want to offend with the wrong person, because you have good persons also on dark web, they also do the business. But there are lot of criminals, active criminals and cyber criminals on dark web, and they are searching for victims. So you have to be very careful with the people that you are dealing with. So from this point of view, try to be very careful. So this can be also dangerous of the deep web, of the dark web. But on the deep web, since there is lot of more criminality that is going on, the place, well, dark web is more dangerous, so there are more dangerous people on this type of place. So try not to give your banking information to those people, because once again if you started doing so, well, I guess what's going to happen, if you offend with the wrong person, they have your complete detailed information, they can do whatever they want. Well, you don't know what they can do. So those are the dangers of dark web for me. The biggest one, as I said, viruses and malwares, ransomwares and many more. So you need to be sure about websites that you guys are visiting. So that's it for this course guys, and see you in our next class. So hello guys, now you have reached to the end section of carding. So in this section I will tell you whether carding you should do or not. So answer is quite simple. The carding business is anyway illegal and unsafe, irrespective of the role you play as a hacker, carder or even buyer. Secondly, the majority of carders are fake who never deliver you any product, they just flee away with your money. So what you have learned in this section? So in this course you have learned various things like what is carding, how they are steal from the CC owners, how they collect all information, whether carding is illegal or not, stages of carding and whether they are fake or not. Then in section 2 I have also introduced you to requirements of carding, then types of credit card and many more things. In section 3 we have performed various things like buying and selling of Bitcoin practically. In section 5 I have also told different banks of credit card type, VBV, non-VBV, address verification system, and in section 6 we have, and then we have also practically seen how to change the MAC address of the PC, then how to use Mozilla Firefox, and how to use RDP. Then we have also seen how to buy credit card from SurfaceNet and from Deep Web, which are the trusted ones. In another section we have practically performed carding, and in second last section, which is dangerous, I have also taught you how to be staying safe on deep web or dark web while doing carding. So I hope now you will be a good carder, but you should not do it because my content was only for educational purpose. So if you have any doubt you can contact me. So this is my contact of Telegram ID, my email ID. Okay, so thank you for being there with me. Okay, bye.